Hi everyone. So today we're going to do a lesson on how to use the articles an, and the, and also how to use the words some and any. I will begin with a brief explanation and then we will do an exercise and let's see how many of those sentences you can get right. Okay, so let's begin with articles. How to use articles. There are two types of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. The definite article, the, is used to specify a particular noun. Example, the Ganga is a holy river. Now, why are we saying the Ganga? Because I'm talking about a particular river. The Ganga. Ganga is the only river by that name. And why am I saying a holy river? Because there are many holy rivers. Okay? The indefinite articles a and an are used to specify non-definite nouns. But an is used before a noun that has a vowel sound, even if it does not begin with a vowel. That is the most important thing. We do not look at a word and check to see what the first letter of the word is, and then if it is a vowel, use the word "an" before it. No, that's not how we do it. We say the word and then check if it begins with a vowel sound. And only if it begins with a vowel sound, we use the word "an" before it. And I will demonstrate what I mean by this. Example, there was a mango on the tree outside my house. Why a mango? Because I'm not talking about any particular mango. So a. And the tree because I'm talking about a particular tree. A tree that is outside my house, that specific tree. Second example, there was an apple in the box. Why an? Because apple begins with a vowel sound. Apple, a sound. Okay, so an apple in the box because I'm talking about a particular box. He was an honest boy. Now look at this one very carefully. The word honest begins with an H, and yet we use the word an before it because H is not what we're looking at. Like I said earlier, we have to say the word and check if it begins with a vowel sound. And the word honest begins with a vowel sound because you do not say honest. The H is silent in this word. You have to say honest. Aw. So it is an aw sound. Honest. And because it has an aw sound, you use the word and before it. And now look at the fourth example. He wore a uniform to school. So why are we saying a uniform? Because even though the word begins with the letter U, like I said earlier, we are not looking at the first letter of the word. Rather, we are looking at the sound. So when we say uniform, it's uniform, which is not a vowel sound, and hence we use the word a before it. I hope the explanation has been very clear to you. Now let's see how to use the words some and any. Both these words are used with countable plural nouns or uncountable nouns. I hope you know the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are those which you can count. For example, if I say there are 10 books on the shelf, you can count those books. So it's countable, a countable noun. Now, suppose I say, I can see some water in the lake. Now, I have to use the word some because it's an uncountable noun. I cannot count water. So a countable noun is one which you can count, and an uncountable noun is one that you cannot count. Generally, some is used in positive sentences and the word any is used in negative sentences. For example, I would like some milk in my tea and I don't have any money. I hope this part was clear as well. And now let's start with an exercise and see how many of these sentences you can get right. You have to fill in the blanks with the right word. Fill in the blanks with a an, the, some, or any. I have dash good idea. And the answer is, oh, I hope you got it right. The second one, that's dash interesting job. Your answer? An interesting job, because of the sound of the word. They have found dash gold in that old mine. Answer? Some. The next one. Do the Smiths have dash yellow van? And yes, the answer is look, he's having dash water. Is your answer some? If it is, then you're right. Let's do the next one. He always likes dash piece of chocolate. Yes, the answer is this was an easy one, wasn't it? I have dash homework to do for tomorrow. Now, can you count homework? Some homework. There's dash nice girl in the red car. What's your answer? Is it a? If it is, then you're right. Would you like dash milk with your cookies? Some is the right answer. How about dash grapes? And the right answer? Some. Okay, I hope the exercise was enjoyable and I hope you got almost all of these correct. If you enjoyed the lesson, do consider subscribing. We'll meet again very soon. Until then, do take care. See you.